I cannot believe how much I just paid for dinner. Well, hello there. Today we're going to the mall, which always makes me think of that song from How I Met Your Mother.
Let's go to the mall.
Which, by the way, not a good show. I went to Terminal 21, an airport-themed mall. Each floor is designed and decorated as if it is a different country. I'm guessing this floor is Tokyo. Thank God for these guys holding up the building. We even got a double-decker bus. 2 more floors to go. Istanbul and then San Francisco. Now for the final floor. Probably the best floor because it's got all the food. America! Who's got the harder job? This guy or the sumo wrestlers? The most expensive thing on their menu was like $1.10. This is stewed pork leg with rice and some greens and an egg. I think I made a mistake. So you have to buy a card before going to these food stalls. I put 300 baht on this card. I just got all of this food for 42 baht. I have 258 baht left. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to spend it all. We'll try it. Savory and a little sweet. It's pretty good. All done. Time for round 2. This is gonna be even harder than I thought. So I just got a plate of rice, roasted duck, as well as a barbecue pork bun for 45 baht. Maybe in over my head. I guess the question is it any good? Let's give it a try. I don't eat duck very often, but man, it is so good when I do. And this sauce on it, it's got, I think, some of that Chinese 5 spice. I got pad thai and I think it was like $1. But is it good? There's tofu and egg and green onion, all sorts of stuff, and it's delicious. I think this is actually the first pad thai I've had in Thailand. All right, I'm tapping out. I can't do anymore. There's way too much food as it is. I think my total came out to $4. I don't think I could get a Starbucks for $4. Now to travel back around the globe from San Francisco, Istanbul, London, Tokyo, and back to Bangkok. Oh, that air conditioning feels so nice. And now, time to work.